Did you know that in New Delhi, people claimed to be attacked by something during the night? They called it the Monkey Man in 2001. Panic spread across the city after residents reported a terrifying encounter. Witnesses described a creature half man, half monkey, covered in dark hair, glowing red eyes. Some said it had metal claws. Others claimed it could leap across rooftops and disappear into the darkness. Hospitals soon filled with people covered in scratches, bite marks, and bruises. They all told the same story. The Monkey Man attacked me. News channels went into a frenzy. Police started patrolling the streets at night. Some believe it was mass hysteria. Others think something unknown was hiding in the shadows of New Delhi. For more, like, share, and subscribe, or the Monkey Men will get you.